Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 6 of Surah Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وابتلوا اليتامى for wow, circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it, ba will get sifa of qalqala, ta is very sharp sound, no flow of sound, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short, lul, this lam is attached with lam, and this lam will get tawassut, lul, for dhamma, circle your lips here, and when you will attach with the second lam, your lips should be in a straight position, lul, yeah, it's very soft. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Ta is very sharp sound. No flow of sound here. And for standing fatha, you are making it 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Hatta, ha is attached with ta. Ta is a shadid letter. There is no flow of sound, and the sound cuts off abruptly. Hat, and then ta is 4 counts long. E for kasra, give E sound. Hamza is from your throat. The sound is very sharp and strong. E, the 2 counts long. Ba short. La short. Gun, ghain is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with noon. Noon will get sifa off. Gunna, and this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Gun, and kasra is very short. Ni, ka is 2 counts long. Ha, for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Fa, give hams in fa. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. In idhar, and with idhar, the sipa is qalqala. The ruling is idhar, but the sipa is qalqala. Tawassut. The sifa is idhar, and the ruling is idhar, and the sifa is tawassut. Sifa is idhar, and the ruling is tawassut. Fa'in, 2 counts long. Nas, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with seen. Seen will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is safi, it has safid, and it is light. Anastu, tum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. This is idgham shafawi. You are merging this meme into the other meme. So tum, and it will get gunna, and that will be akmal gunna. Tum, for kasra, give e sound, and attach with noon. The ruling is idhar, and the sifa is tawassut. Min, whom, for dhamma, circle lips, attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Urush, or is heavy. For dhamma, circle lips, attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa and tafashi, and this is light. Urush, da, ikhfa, and keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, because this has gunna too. Da, fad, fa will get hums, and then attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Fad, fa again hums. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ru, ain from your throat, and it is 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips. E, for kasra, give e sound. Lay, it is 2 counts long, because this is harf lean. E, lay, him, for kasra, give e sound. Don't disturb this e kasra light sound of kasra, even though if you are attaching it with the coming up letter. He, say he, and then say the sound of meme. Him, and give tawassut on meme. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it meme, we will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Wa, for wow, circle your lips, and make it 2 counts long, because you can see standing fatha here. wa la. La is short. Hum for Dhamma, circle your lips attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut. Hum wa for vowel, circle your lips for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. La, two counts long. Ta is very sharp sound, and hamza is sharp too. So both sounds are they have no flow of sound. Their sound will cut off very quickly. Why? Because the makhraj will cut off the sound, and there will be no flow of sound. Ta, ku, for Dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is light, and it is short. Ku, lu, circle your lips for Dhamma and make it two counts long. Ha, four counts long. Is, Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound, attach with Seen. Seen will get sifa of Rakhawa and Safi, and it is light. Is, Ra is heavy and two counts long. Found, idgham with gunna, and keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Found for vowels, circle your lips. For fatha, open jaws. D for kasra, give E sound. Da, two counts long. Run, the ruling is ibhar and the sifa is tawassut. Be the one, and raw will be heavy too, because whenever raw is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So you can see fatha in here, so it will be heavy. One, I, hamza is very sharp for fatha, open your jaws, and this after that it is idgham with gunna. I, yak, for fatha, open jaws, attach with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hams. Yek, ba. Ba is very sharp sound, no flow of sound at all. Ba, uru, ra is heavy. For Dhamma, circle your lips and make it two counts long. Uru, wa, for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open jaws. Mang. This ikhfa is very different. How? Because your tongue is lifting up and blocking your throat. Mang, mang, ka is two counts long. Na, short. Wa mang kana. Ro, again is heavy for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Ni, yan, for kasra, give E sound. And then when you are attaching with ya, here you will create number, and number is a jump of sound. When you are attaching noon with ya, this is the place where you will create this number. Ni, ni. It is to guard the sound of both yas. So otherwise, you might drop the one ya. And as you know that under tashdid, there are always two letters under it, the same letters. Wani, yang, ikhfa. And this is light ikhfa because fa is among light letters. Ya, fell, for fatha, on your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Fell, yes. Yeah, it's very soft. For fatha, on your jaws, attach with seen. Seen will get sifa of rakhawa and safi, and it is light. Yes. Da, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it by ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and it should be from your throat. Da, fif, for kasra, give E sound, attach it fa. Fa will get sifa of hams and rakhawa, and it is light. Fif, the sound should flow because it has rakhawa. Fif. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Wa, mang. Again, this ikhfa is light because kaf is among light letters, and the sound should uh, be heard like ink, like you are about to say ink. So wa mang, this is the sound of ikhfa when you are creating it for the letter kaf. وَمَنْ ka is 2 counts long. It is light. Na short. Fa for fa give hums. And for fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Qaf is heavy and it is 2 counts long. Rang, this is light ikhfa. And the steps of ikhfa are number one, you are not pronouncing the sound of a noon with your tongue, but you are only keeping the nasal part of your noon, and that is gunna. So you are creating gunna, but you are keep making your mouth ready to pronounce the upcoming letter. And here this is fa, and makhraj of fa is to touch the edge of your upper two teeth to the lower lip. So your mouth should be ready to say this fa, this upcoming letter, and that is fa. So rang fell, and give hums. For fatha open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa off the wasut. Fell, yeah. Yeah, it's very soft. For fatha open your jaws, attach with hamza. Hamza is a very sharp letter. The makhraj will cut off the sound. Yeah. Cool for the circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa off the wasut. Cool. Bil for kasra, give e sound. Don't drop it even if you are attaching with the coming up letter. Bil, and give the wasut on lam. Bil ma for fatha open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa off the wasut and should be from your throat. Ma roof. You are giving temporary sukoon or fa, and this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and this is called mad arid sukoon. Mad, you are stretching extra because of this temporary sukoon. Bil ma'roof. Give hums for fatha open your jaws. E for kasra, give e sound. The 2 counts long. The is very sharp. No flow of sound whatsoever. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. The fa. Give hums on fa. For fatha open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa off. Tawassut. Fa. Tum for the circle your lips, attach with mim. Mim will get sifa off. Sifa off. Tawassut. Tum e for kasra, give e sound. Lay 2 counts long. Him for kasra, give e sound, attach with mim and get sifa off tawassut. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attach with mim will get sifa off. Sifa off tawassut. Wa for wow circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. La should short. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Home for the circle your lips, attach with me will get sifa off tawassut. Home. Fa, give hums in fa. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ash, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attach with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rokhova, and the first she, and this is light. Ash, he for kasra, give e sound. Do for circle for the circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. Lay 2 counts long. Him for kasra, give e sound, attach with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Alayhim. Wa for wow circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ka short. And there is no flow of breath at all. Ka, and it is light. Ka, fa, give hums before fatha, and then fatha is 2 counts long. Fa, bil for kasra, give e sound, attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because you can find kasra before it. Billah, by default it is long. La, he for kasra, give e sound. Ha, ha has misty sound before the fatha. As you will pronounce fatha, the letter will be completed. Ha, C, two counts long. Ba, mat. Ayat is making it two counts long. وابتلوا اليتامى حتى إذا بلغوا النكاح فإن آنستم من رشدا فادفعوا إليهم أموالهم ولا تأكلوها إسرافا وبدارا أن يكبروا ومن كان غنيا فليستعفف ومن كان فقيرا فليأكل بالمعروف فإذا دفعتم إليهم أموالهم فأشهدوا عليهم وكفى بالله حسيبا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.